Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Fiddleheads in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematics event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the challenge that you need to complete. You can go to this menu to view the festival event challenge, and one of the challenges is collecting 10 fiddle hats, and I'm going to show you how you can collect this herb, and the mission is called Wild Greens Raging. Okay, for the fiddle hats, you can find them around the deer tower. First of all guys, you can go to the deer tower and you're going to go to this area, and here is where you can find the fiddle hats, and this is the first fiddle hats. Okay, I've just collected the fiddle hat, and we need to collect 10 fiddle hats. Okay, just like that. Go to the deer tower and find them right here. Okay guys, and that's how we can collect the Fiddleheads in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematics event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!